Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do it manually like how the skirting. Okay, let's say this one you don't like or this pattern you don't want. Okay, you can click on here, then right click, delete unilateral. So this wall don't have already the skirting, then you may create by yourself. Okay, simple. You can just drag one tiles or then modify it. Just drag one tiles, modify the size you want. So let's say this one I modify it to 100 lah for the skirting. This one put here 0. Okay, so you must most of them they want align lah, or this one most of them they want align, this one align also. So maybe we can move this one a bit. Okay, let's see, maybe this one I move it to 300. Okay, 300. On 300, add maybe another 10, 320, 20. Okay, lovely lah. Okay, so here I will click on it. I will change the tiles material first lah, or usually I will just click this button here. Scheme painter, okay, copy, then paste it. Okay, right click, Ctrl Z. Okay, never mind, I click on here, this one, click on this one, right click, this one, material painter, copy material only. I want the material only. I paste here, paste here, paste already. Okay, then now I just copy the tiles. So I click on this one, this button, paving, just pave it lah. Okay, no, okay, simply click on it. So complete already. And this one, another one, I'll just right click, copy, and right click, paste, or paste one tiles here. Okay, don't worry, the tiles will come out eventually. Okay, so complete. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.